Hey y'all, it's your girl Leets, and I'm here to do a brief tutorial on how to apply a headband wig. Yes, I said it, a headband wig, which will be my first install on a type of wig like this. I've never ever heard of it, but this hair is from Uniquely Tamed Hair. If you guys haven't seen my previous video, I was able to unbag all the goodies that I was sent. But I definitely wanted to show you guys how this could be easily applied. Yes, it is a headband attached to a wig. And if you guys watched my previous video, I showed you guys the headband, and I also showed you guys the wig that I received. I do have my Uniquely Tamed bonnet on. I love this bonnet, super comfortable, satin. It feels nice, great quality. So I'm about to take this off. And under the bonnet I have the curls. Now the wig that I received is also curly hair, and like I mentioned in my other video, it was a deep wave and it was 14 inches. And so I'm just gonna refresh you guys with how it looked. Go from there on how you would apply it. Now this is the hair, and like I said, it's only 14 inches. It's kind of like the same texture as my hair here, but we're gonna put my hair back in a ponytail. Now if you guys want to braid your hair, you guys are more than able to do so. Now I'm not gonna have this wig on for too long, but I guess it depends on how long of a protective style you're trying to do. If you're one of those that like to just pop off the wig right after an occasion, or you know, after your day and you just like to pop it off and hang it somewhere, I guess braiding your hair down really doesn't matter. But again, braiding your hair down is also a great protective style when you do apply wigs. So this is the wig like I mentioned, and then it has the headband in the front. Right, and then the adjustable band in the back. And like I said, I really like the adjustable band in the back because it's quite thick, so it won't penetrate too much in the back of your hairline, which also helps because you don't like the bumps and the irritation to the back of your head. So this also does come with clips. It comes with 1, 2, 3 clips. And like I said, the hair does not smell bad at all. It actually has a very good odor. But I'm also going to show you the front, because when we apply wigs, it's either a frontal wig or like a U-part wig and things like that. This is actually the front of the headband wig. And when I apply it, I'll see if I'll be able to do parts in it and things like that. I'll even give you guys different styles that you guys could do with this wig. So again, here's the hair. I'm about to take off the tag. All right, so let's get to it. So the only thing that I brought to apply the hair was just I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail instead of braiding it down. I didn't have too much time to prepare that, but all you're gonna do all I'm going to do is comb back my hair. And I have a bald cap that I purchased, so I'll be applying the bald cap. So like I said, I'm just going to get my bald cap and take my hair from behind and just, but now I wouldn't apply this like I would like a regular lace frontal, which is good, because you know with the lace frontal you gotta like, you know, do all the extra stuff with the Got to Be spray and things of that nature. So I'm about to show y'all what the back look like. So it's just the easy, you know what I'm saying? And I'll push this back. Oh. Like I said, this will be probably one of the most convenient things that you can do. Now I'm gonna open the bands, and then I'm also gonna take the clip from the back. The wig is really tight fitting. It feels already secure as I'm applying it. Because, you know, some wigs could be super. And then this is how it looks in the back. So I'm just going to. It's good because it doesn't smell bad. It feels super secure even without me using the clips. The only clip that I use is the clip in the back. Oh. Back up for a second. Show y'all. Okay. Alright. I'm really liking this. And of course with like the hair, you can install it the way that you want. But like I said, this is super convenient. Or if like you're doing like a quick and go. All right. Now I also got a headband from them as well. Now I'm gonna put the headband on and then I'll style it. I'm gonna also show you guys how this looks with the other headbands that I have. So I mean, you could apply your edges. Maybe I should have took out some edges. Yeah. Puff this out. See if I'm even able to like part it. And I want. Probably honestly could. And a upward ponytail. I like to wear my hair like this a lot of the times. So you can do like an upward ponytail, maybe. Like I said, the texture feels amazing. Can't even tell. I gotta, like I said, this could be done like quick looks. Headband wig. Again, wigs are very detrimental to the edges as well as the hairline in the back because of all the product buildup. Not just that, but a lot of us probably got to be sprayed before an install. We use glue on our edges and things like that. And with all the great benefits of wearing a wig, there's different type of wigs. There's U-part wigs, there's full lace frontal wigs. There's glueless wigs, you know what I'm saying? And you know, it's a huge thing now with all these lace frontal installs that we as Black women are probably going through a lot of damaged hair loss. But if you guys are looking for something that is super convenient, super fast, something that's not going to take too much time to do, because like I stated, maybe, you know, you're out of a fresh install and you don't have time to book a new appointment or even make that appointment, and you need to be somewhere that night. If you guys want to pop in and pop out a wig, you guys can. And like I said, it's something that you could just unband, pop off, and that's the end. And it's definitely something that you could pop back on. So it's super easy. And it does not take too long for you to actually put it on, which is good. It's been a while since y'all seen me with black hair. To be quite honest with you. You know? And then you can put your edges in the front. Style it the way that you want. This is literally a whole hairstyle right here in less than 5 minutes. A whole wig install in less than 5 minutes. And it looks like my hair. Period.
Ladies!